Hi, want to make your food budget go further at the farm stand? Let me show you how easy it is with Double Up Food Bucks Iowa. First, sign up with your Double Up Food Bucks using your SNAP EBT card and zip code. Then use your SNAP EBT to buy fresh fruits and veggies or seeds and plants that grow them. For every dollar you spend, you'll get the same amount in Double Up Food Bucks, up to $15 per day. Here's the fun part. You can use Double Up Food Bucks you've earned to buy more fruits and vegetables at the farm stand or any of the Double Up Food Bucks participating locations. Don't forget to load any leftover bucks back onto your Double Up Food Bucks cart. It's that simple. Eat more fruits and veggies, support local farmers, and double your dollars. Ready to start? Visit doubleupiowa.org to find our participating locations today.